Welcome back. We're thrilled to have you join us today. Today, we're diving into the life of a legend who revolutionized our understanding of the universe, Marie Curie. She was not just a scientist, but a pioneer who broke barriers and set new standards in the world of science. From her humble beginnings in Poland, where she was born as Maria Skłodowska in 1867, to her groundbreaking research in Paris, where she became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, Marie Curie's journey is a testament to passion, perseverance, and excellence. Her work in radioactivity not only earned her 2 Nobel Prizes, but also paved the way for future scientific discoveries. Get ready to be inspired by 11 fascinating facts about her life and legacy. From her early struggles to her monumental achievements, Marie Curie's story is one of resilience and brilliance. Born Maria Skłodowska in 1867 in Warsaw, Poland, Marie Curie grew up in a time of great political and social upheaval. Marie Curie's childhood was marked by intellectual curiosity and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. From a young age, she displayed a remarkable aptitude for learning. However, her early years were also shaped by the harsh realities of Russian rule, which imposed severe restrictions on education and personal freedoms. Despite being barred from formal education, Marie was undeterred. She found ways to continue her studies, often in secret and under difficult conditions. She continued learning in secret, driven by an insatiable thirst for knowledge and a determination to overcome the obstacles in her path. These early experiences laid the foundation for her future discoveries, as she developed the resilience and tenacity that would later define her groundbreaking scientific career. At 24, Marie Curie moved to Paris, the epicenter of scientific advancement, enrolling at the Sorbonne. She faced a male-dominated academic world, prejudice, and skepticism. Yet, she persevered, her resolve unwavering. At the Sorbonne, Marie and her husband, Pierre Curie, embarked on research that would change history. In 1898, they announced their discovery of radioactivity, revolutionizing physics and chemistry. In 1903, Marie Curie, Pierre Curie, and Henri Becquerel were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for their work on radioactivity. This moment was a beacon of hope for aspiring female scientists, showing that the doors of opportunity were opening. Marie Curie's story is inseparable from her husband Pierre Curie. Their partnership was a testament to shared passion and intellectual synergy. Together, they were an unstoppable force, their laboratory a crucible of innovation. In 1911, after Pierre's tragic death, Marie Curie continued her research with unwavering dedication. She was awarded her 2nd Nobel Prize in Chemistry for discovering polonium and radium. This cemented her legacy as a scientific pioneer. During World War I, Marie Curie used her scientific knowledge to make a difference. Her invention of mobile X-ray units, little Curies, revolutionized battlefield medicine, saving countless lives. Marie Curie's work on radioactivity revolutionized medicine, paving the way for radiotherapy to target and destroy cancerous cells. Her legacy in medicine alleviated human suffering and improved countless lives. Marie Curie's contributions to chemistry, including the discovery of polonium and radium, are cornerstones of modern chemistry. Her tireless work enabled countless scientific advancements. Marie Curie's story is a beacon of hope for aspiring female scientists. She broke down barriers, inspiring generations of young girls to pursue their passions in STEM fields. Marie Curie's life teaches us the power, perseverance, and the importance of curiosity. Her relentless pursuit of knowledge serves as invaluable lessons for dreamers of all kinds. Marie Curie's story is about the boundless potential within each of us. Born in Warsaw, Poland in 1867, she overcame immense obstacles to become one of the most renowned scientists in history. Her groundbreaking research on radioactivity not only earned her 2 Nobel Prizes, but also paved the way for advancements in medicine and science that continue to benefit humanity today. Her commitment to using her gifts to make the world a better place is a timeless reminder that we all have the power to make a difference. Curie's work was not just about scientific discovery, it was about using knowledge to improve lives. She believed in the importance of education and tirelessly advocated for scientific research, inspiring countless individuals to follow in her footsteps. Subscribe for more inspiring stories of trailblazers who dared to change the world. Join us as we explore the lives of those who have made significant contributions to society and learn how their legacies continue to inspire and motivate us today.